Today, I'll show you how to add a camera shake effect using the earthquake effect to make your videos more intense and dynamic. Let's jump in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now we want to add a camera shake effect as soon as the character lands on the ground exactly at this point here. To do this, head over to the effects panel and search for earthquake. Drag and drop the effect just above the clip where you want the shake to happen. Instantly, you'll see a powerful shake effect that adds energy to the scene. But let's fine tune it. Click on the effect and you'll find these adjustment sliders. Speed controls how fast the shake moves. Let's just increase the value a bit. Strength increases or decreases the intensity of the shake. So let's increase the strength to some extent. Gradual slider, we'll set this to 0 because we want an immediate shake the moment the character lands. And that's it. You've successfully added a camera shake effect in Filmora. This effect is perfect for action sequences, music videos, or intense cinematic moments. Try it out and see how it enhances your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.